Hey there, adventure enthusiasts. Welcome back to Best Tendency. Today, we're taking a quick look at the OneTigris Tigerblade camping chair. If you're searching for the best backpacking chair that won't weigh you down on your adventures, you've come to the right place. If you're interested after watching this review, you can find the live price update and purchase link in the description below. This chair is seriously impressive when it comes to portability. At just 2.9 pounds and folding down to a super compact chair size of 5.9 inches by 5.1 inches by 13 inches, it's an ultralight chair perfect for any outing. Whether you're into hiking, tackling a music festival, or just need a seat for your travels, this small chair won't take up valuable space. Setting it up is a breeze. The foldable aluminum alloy frame and durable 600D polyester fabric make it quick and easy to assemble. You'll be relaxing in no time. Don't let the lightweight design fool you. The Tigerblade, despite its low profile, feels surprisingly sturdy thanks to its triangle structure. Many users find it comfortable for its size, and it can hold a decent amount of weight. It's a great lightweight chair option for anglers, campers, and even as a best portable camping chair for various outdoor events. Now, a quick heads up. Being a lowrider, it might not be the best hiking chair for back support for everyone, especially if you prefer a higher seat or are a senior. Also, while generally sturdy, a few users have reported potential fragility under heavier loads, so keep that in mind. It might not be the best backpacking chair for big guys beyond the stated weight limit. So, what makes the OneTigris Tigerblade stand out? It's the incredible balance between being an ultra-light chair and offering a functional and comfortable seat. If you're looking for a best foldable chair for your sports activities, festivals, or travel, and need something truly compact, this could be your top pick. The included bag makes it even more convenient to carry. Overall, the OneTigris Tigerblade is a fantastic choice for those prioritizing portability and lightweight design in a camping chair. It's a strong contender for the title of Best Backpacking Chair and offers great value for its size and features. What do you think of the OneTigris Tigerblade? Let me know your thoughts in the comments below. If you found this quick review helpful, give it a thumbs up and subscribe for more outdoor gear reviews.